it's Miss Carly. Thank you for coming back to watch another amazing video that I have for you. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I'll be making. With that, don't forget to hit subscribe button down here, as well as little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. So something that I want to add, which is totally exciting and I am thrilled to share with you all, is I officially have an Amazon storefront. Yes! So exciting. So it is filled with all the wigs that I have done a review for, my favorite makeup, what I film with, and just a little bit of everything. And let me know if there is something that you want me to add to my storefront that I am missing. All right, so let's get talking about this amazing wig that I have for you. And I'm so excited to share with you because it just has these amazing, gorgeous curls. I have not even brushed her out. I just took her straight out of the package. And she's this light brown, which I do not have any wigs that are light brown. As I don't know if you can tell, but she's got this gorgeous, like honey, like quality color to her. Really excited to try it. And then also with that, she does have a medium ombre root right there, which is really awesome. So really excited to give this honey girl a try. So let's just talk about the construction of her. She has light lace, as you can see right here, and then a pretty standard 2.5 inch parting right here for the Amazon wigs. She has 2 combs right here in the side. She has 1 comb right here in the middle as well. She has a medium cap, so if you require a large head, friendly wig, she would work for you. She also comes with 2 wig caps, so as soon as she arrives, you are ready to go. But I'll be using one of my wig caps that I actually have from Amazon. I got a 10 pack for $5.99. I absolutely love it. I really like these wig caps right here. I put my wigs on front to back, so here we go. So let's just take a look at the lace right here. So if you were to glue her down, of course lightening up the hairline would be absolutely perfect for her. But as you can see, pretty good with the lace. I'm gonna take my little scissors and I'm gonna trim off this lace really quick. All right, here we go. I'm just gonna brush her out just a little bit with my wig brush. Ooh, look at her. Oh my gosh, I love it. I am really in love with these curls, with the softness and this kind of honey color. Let's kind of play with the parting to see what she looks like from shifting her around, as shifting the wig cap is my favorite way to shift the parting on a wig. So let's put her on my usual parting, which is my left eyebrow. See if she gives a different look here. Ooh, definitely a little bit over the eye. Love it. Absolutely love this. Oh my gosh, I can't handle it with these curls. Okay, let's shift it to this side, which is my misfit eyebrow. Ooh, this is good too. I kind of like an extreme. I like how these waves kind of like face frame the face. Different look. Wow, I had no idea that looking natural could be so good, right? Yeah, so I normally do not care for wigs that are brown tones. Like, it seems too normal. It's very weird to think, as my normal hair color is brown, but I have such adversity to it. But not this one. This one looks amazing. So course, here's the wig right here from Amazon. Do check it out. I am in love with it. And I want to know if you have any of these Victoria's Secret wavy wigs. I would love to know and to see you in these wigs. So do check me out on Instagram. A great way for you to send me photos of you wearing your wigs. And remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous in this honey Victoria's Secret wavy haired wig, wear it, love it, and own it. And I want to thank you, and we will see you soon. Bye.